rescuing. Stand by for a pit. They might be bailing. Passenger just came out at a high rate of speed.
Wait. Did he just jump out? We got ourselves a good one. All right, you guys can see the police cruiser is making a quick U-turn to probably chill out and catch somebody. Again, this is the area where I actually lived in Atlanta. This is Smyrna Road, Atlanta Road, Vinings, all of that area. And I know that because I used to live in that area, so it's gonna kind of be crazy to watch. The audio will catch on here in a minute. But you can see he took off, and we're gonna see who he goes after. I didn't see anybody, but he probably got a call. The audio will come on, like I said, as soon as he hits the radio. Looks like he's trying to grab somebody at the light. And looks like a Challenger. I can tell by the taillights. You guys know I had a crazy 1320. Yep. Got a Challenger with no lights on. Why are you in the middle of Atlanta? If you guys know anything about GSP Atlanta, it's crazy.
Revise that tag on that.
No lights. Oh, now he turned his lights on.
999 had earlier.
Gotta do better. Gotta do better. All right, this is probably where you would definitely know he's about to come get you as the police car sped up. Especially, and this is what gets you. Whenever you turn and they follow you, that's when you know. That's when you know. So he's got to make a split decision right now. He's got to make a decision right now. Is he going to go? Is he going to take off? Oh, yeah, it's a chase. It's a chase. It's a chase. So, got to pause the video. If you know anything, it's the pat, and go. My guy LJ taught me that. I do not condone running from the police. You guys know that. Don't do it. I promise you, do not do it. The radio and the helicopter will always outsmart you. But when you know, especially in these videos, if you hear a pat, and then the motor go, they're going. But let's get back into it.
Taking off on me, I'm 1080. West Wesley.
Mind you, this is in the highway. This is the back roads, which is crazy. You're talking about speed bumps, red lights, green lights, whatever. Talk about one-way traffic, easy to get blocked in. Curves, and it's at night with no lights. That's crazy. He's going though. He's going.
Alright, we're coming up the north side.
And this police officer is not letting up. I wish I could see the speed. Again, shout out State Boys for posting the videos, man. That's big shout out to you guys. I've seen a couple people do a video on this one, but again, I did this one specifically because it was in my area where I lived in Atlanta. They are pushing. Oh, he just went airborne, and they almost lost control.
All right, he got it back. Still on West
That is crazy. He's taking off. He is driving the hell out of that Scatpack right now.
We're good. Coming up to the interstate here in a second.
I know so many people would have lost control because he's got to be going 100 plus on these back roads. And he is risking it all through these stoplights and through these four-way intersections.
Coming up to a light right here. Actually, it's the stop sign.
And you can hear he is asking for backup so many times. Oh, they both just went off road.
All right, both of us just went off road for a minute, but we're good. Got it back.
You can hear it. He just caught it, and they both went off road.
Stand by for a pit. They might be bailing. Passenger just
a
came
passenger
out at a
just
high
fell
rate
out the
of
car.
speed.
Oh, they.
Once we turn south on Mooresville.
Let me know in the comments, are you getting out of the passenger seat if your driver takes off? Let me know.
Get somebody to him, 1018.
Pushing it. Oh, he almost lost control again. He had to have busted a tire right there. Oh, he's going in for a pit maneuver.
Now we're going through another stop. Clear.
stops, man. Yeah, he is dogging that Scatpack. But that's what they're meant for, man. They can just go.
Another stop sign.
Best horsepower per dollar.
Moore's Mill, Atlanta, still on Moore's Mill. 293, go west now, turn around. We're clear to pass. Clear to pass, still south.
Drivers getting down through there, man.
Setting up to turn right. No, never mind, staying straight on.
Now we're coming up on an area I know very well. Brave. He is brave to still not hit the highway. Yeah, and this is the big racetrack gas station to the left. That's great. Everybody knows that gas station. A lot of car meet up there. This is the road that I used to live off of to get on the exit, or to get onto the highway, so I think he's about to get to the highway.
Gotta be advised, we're still on Marietta Boulevard. I think we just crossed into Cobb County.
Oh, the highway blocked off? Oh, that's crazy. I bet she was trying to go to the highway. I keep saying that's crazy. It is crazy.
Still on South Atlanta
Still
Road
going.
now, South Atlanta Road.
Still back roads. Atlanta Road. I told you guys. Storage unit.
Passing Plant Atkinson.
I used to go down this road every day to work. If you know, you know. He's about to lose. He just lost a wheel.
No good. He's lost
or
a
tire.
wheel. Hit attempt, no good. He's lost a wheel.
That is. He's gonna lose. He's not gonna last much longer. There's no way.
Passing north of
How is he gonna
Church
control the
Lane,
car?
North of Church Lane. Anybody close to me? All of you coming 25. You're gonna hit 25 just a second. All right, I don't know how much longer my car is gonna last, but we are going
car wash
over
I used to go to
285
right
now.
there
Going
that
over
we just
285
passed.
now.
Crazy good car wash. Hand wash too. All right, he's got to get on the highway now. Well, no, he's got 3 wheels. He can't. There's no way. He can't turn.
He's giving it all she's got on 3 wheels here, so stand by. He's not 1050. Ooh, we barely missed.
Oh, he's about to wreck.
Still going. Oh, stand by. He keeps trying to turn, he can't do it. So we're
my man can drive.
Road, so now we're
Give it to him in the
northbound on
comments.
Road.
Don't run from the police.
Whoever gets here as quick as you can and try to take over. I don't know if my car is gonna make it.
Oh, three wheels. He's gonna pit maneuver.
Another pit attempt. Another pit attempt.
3 wheels.
Spinning out. Now he's got it back.
Still holding on. What? Shout out to this police officer who's been chasing him solo the whole time. Oh, they hop out on feet. It's over. It's over. Hop out on feet. They're going in the backyard. Oh no, not somebody.
3 black males running behind the house on Westwood. Give me unit 1018 and a dog. 1018 and a dog.
Listen, I do not condone running from the police. I do not condone a stolen Scatpack. I don't condone none of it. But he drove that Scatpack like crazy, even though it's stolen. But you can see what this gets you. Nowhere. And the fact he went in somebody's backyard, if it's not his house. Hey, another crazy video from State Boys. Shout out to State Boys. Crazy police chase. He did that solo. That officer did that solo. Crying out for help, calling on the radio. Did that all by himself. GSP, Marietta, Cobb County, wherever. Where y'all at? Why did y'all not help my mans? Crazy. Either way, let me know what you would have done if you would have hopped out as the passenger, can't speak. Let me know what you want to see for my next videos. I'm gonna start, like I said, dropping a lot of videos per week. I've been dropping shorts almost every day, but I'm getting back to the content. I can't wait to get home to my CTSV I'm still out the country, you guys. I'm gonna be trying to get you as much content as I possibly can out here. Check out some of my old drag strip videos. But other than that, everything 1320 happens right here, and we are out.